YouTube money making from the Caribbean. Many Caribbean creators wonder if they can truly earn a living on YouTube. The answer is a resounding yes, but it comes with unique considerations. Stick around, because I'm sharing the updated facts and a clear path forward. Historically, regional limitations sometimes made monetization seem complex, but YouTube's global reach and evolving policies are leveling the playing field. Your unique Caribbean voice is a powerful asset. YouTube Partner. Program eligibility is now more accessible, focusing on watch time and subscribers. Beyond ads, explore brand deals, merchandise, and channel memberships. Leverage your local culture and stories. They resonate globally. Focus on consistent, high-quality content that genuinely connects with your audience. Engage with your community and understand their needs. The key is building a loyal viewership that supports your journey. Don't let old myths hold you back. The opportunities are real and waiting for you. Keep watching to discover the exact steps to turn your passion into profit, right from the Caribbean.